How to rotate PDF file and save permanently. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for I love PDF. Open this website. After that, scroll over and then you will see the option of rotate PDF. Simply tap on it. Then simply upload your PDF file and you will get the option of rotating it the way you want. After that, simply download the PDF file after you made your changes and you will be done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.